Welcome aboard the stunning Royal Caribbean Star of the Seas. My name is Taylor, and today we'll be exploring an infinite Central Park View balcony stateroom and covering everything you need to know to prepare for your next cruise. Before booking, be sure to contact the Vacationeer for exclusive rates, onboard credit, group cruises, and more. Reach out today to see what you're missing and secure the best value in cruising. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and tour the room. As you enter the stateroom, you'll find coat hooks on your right and a small magnetic button on the door to indicate that you're sleeping in. On the left, you'll find a temperature control unit which also functions as a lighting control for the entire room. The bathroom offers generous space for a balcony stateroom. It features a small sink, a backlit mirror, and 2 US plugs. Although storage options are somewhat limited, there is open storage in the corner, under the sink, and 1 drawer for concealed items. The shower features an adjustable shower wand as well as daily refreshed amenities and a bench for shaving. Outside the bathroom, you'll find a full-length mirror with hidden storage behind it, including the room safe and a Wi-Fi hotspot for fast internet access. Around the corner, there's ample closet storage with full-length hanging space and handy baskets for tucking away those packing cubes. All balcony categories are equipped with Royal Caribbean's Royal King mattress, which can be set up as pictured or as 2 separate beds, depending on your preference. One side of the bed has a US plug and USB port hidden in the lamp, while the other side has a USB port and some storage. However, there are no outlets on this side. There's also plenty of space under the bed for luggage or large items. In front of the bed, there's a large flat panel TV for exploring the ship, watching on-demand movies, or tuning into live TV channels. Below the TV, you'll find a USB and USB-C plug hidden in the shelving. The living area includes a desk and a large couch that can be converted to accommodate additional passengers. If being used as a sleeping area, the third would be on top, and the fourth, if the room is configured for 4 passengers, would be on the pull-out underneath. One thing to note, there are no plugs or outlets by the couch. Directly across, there's ample storage, a vanity desk with a complimentary hairdryer, and several outlets including Euro, US, USB, and USB-C plugs. The desk area also includes multiple drawers and a mini fridge. The light for the outdoor balcony is located in the corner of the room. The infinite balcony concept has been a huge hit with many travelers on board Royal Caribbean, and I believe in Central Park is where this concept shines the most. All of the square footage that would be allocated to your outdoor balcony is now inside of the stateroom, providing a large sitting space next to the floor-to-ceiling window. The window has a trick up its sleeve because it can be lowered and turned into a standard balcony concept. This gives you that amazing fresh air coming in from Central Park and those views, or if you just want to keep it shut, it gives those amazing views inside of the climate-controlled stateroom. And just like the ocean view variety of this stateroom, it has a blackout curtain that comes all the way down for when you're sleeping. As we all know, the stateroom is just one part of the onboard experience. With a variety of included entertainment, specialty restaurants, and upgrades, there's something for everyone. And to help you get more from your cruise, the Vacationeer offers exclusive onboard credit deals that you won't find when booking directly with the cruise line. Contact the Vacationeer today to get the best value in cruising.